morning, all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets Come At You with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mamas and them, and their partners and them. Because we lady over here. And without further ado, because we ain't did one of these in a minute, we got what's in my purse. This is, let me see. This is the MCM. It's like the bubblegum pink tote. I'm not sure if it really comes in this type of pink or if it's just in this pink, because I know for sure it comes in this pink. But baby, I seen this and I said I got some Hello Kitty. I think it's Hello Kitty and Friends Crocs, pink Crocs. That's gonna match this perfectly. Then I threw this on here just because it said MCM. This back when Timo first came out and it was doing the little purse charms, and you know, Timo was starting to become the new AliExpress a little bit. You just gotta catch them before they take the stuff down and we're sold out. So yeah, this is a what's in my bag. This is a tote. We got this right here. Y'all, lately I've been carrying totes because y'all know me. Usually I be in like small, medium. Y'all, lately I've been carrying totes, like bigger bags, because I need room. So this is how it look. So let's see what's in my bag. Okay. We're going to take it slow. First things first, we got this. Y'all know I got bad knees because I had surgery on 2 knees. Or 2 surgeries on 1 knee, shall I say. And a bad back. I had 2 surgeries on that. So me bending and stuff, y'all, this is a shoehorn that extends. Because y'all know I am 5'10". So yeah, I don't be trying to bend down, y'all. I got a bad back and bad knees. Not on duty. So we got that. A lint brush. Y'all need she be shedding a little bit. She's still beautiful though. But she do be shedding a little bit. We have this from Dollar Tree, y'all. They have these antibacterial hand wipes, and it comes on like a little keychain, so I thought that was so cute to have. Y'all, I done reached the stage where I have to pluck chin ears. Got these from Amazon. They got the different sizes, the slanted ones, the pointy ones. Y'all, this was like $3 or $4 from Amazon. Y'all, yep, I'm officially at the plucking chin hair stage. And some people might be like, well, I let mine grow. I don't let mine grow because like I like to feel under my face and like on my neck area. Y'all, if I feel just the simplest hair, I'm plucking it. Tylenol. I'm always a friend that'd be like, y'all got a Tylenol or something? Or somebody be like, you got a Tylenol? So I try to keep these, get these from Dollar Tree. They're at the front register typically, or by their like where they have their medicine and stuff. Get these are good to have. Let me see what else. Hair clips. Y'all know I always wear my hair in a wrap, so sometimes I'll be needing to clip it up when I'm out and about. This is my wallet. I'm not gonna open it because it's in disarray, but it's a Hello Kitty wallet, and it has like multiple pockets and stuff, card holders and stuff like that. This is empty, but I typically put my medicine in here if I know I'm going to be gone for the day, or if I'm going over honey's house and I don't want to carry around my, my Sunday through Monday or whatever the case may be. I just put a couple of pills in here, and you know. Y'all, this, call me extra, I don't care. I got this from Temu. What is this? This, baby. This is a cordless, you can charge it up, but it's why can't I think of the word? Hair straightener, flat iron, and it does heat up. So yeah, you just gotta, yeah, I know. So my girl like, that's just so extra. Yep, and I keep it in my purse, especially with the heat, cause the frizz, baby. This is another tool. Y'all know, I told y'all before, my ears overproduce wax, so I always keep one of these little wax things with me to if my ears itching, because I try not to dig in my ears with my nails. Y'all done had this in here for forever. I always put it in my purse because there's only like a little drop left, but it's the Twilight Woods from Bath & Body Works. I try to keep little perfume smell goods with me. This right here we have is soap sheets, definitely good to have. My dupe AirPods, they're purple hearts. AirPods or headphones, whatever you want to call them. Lip gloss, a lip balm. This is of the Disney villains. So yeah. Eyeglass, wipes. I always keep a little something in my purse, a little ninja Fruit Ninja. Because if I don't have Betty with me, because I don't be knowing what you would put on YouTube and stuff like that. Just know, if Betty's not in the bag, then we have a Fruit Ninja. And if you don't know who Betty is, then everybody has a nickname for who they, you know, fireworks. Y'all know I have nails. Bloop, 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 bloop. Lately, y'all niece been giving me the blues. I had to repair 2 nails. So, yeah. Band-Aids, first aid kit. Get this from Dollar Tree. It even comes with alcohol pads in there. Get it. Get it, get it. I have real bad allergies. I have seen these at Dollar Tree. Just some simple eye drops. That's all. Something simple. Comb. Always keep a comb, but another Fruit Ninja. So, yeah. You gotta keep some on you. Gotta keep it on you. Another lip gloss. This is like lip plump or something, but it's clear. It's clear. Cord for my charger. Let me see. Kleenex. Always gotta keep Kleenex with me. Lysol spray. Hair bow. Hair tie. Flashlight. Also Dollar Tree. Hand sanitizer from Dollar Tree, and they also sell the little carrying case. So yeah, hit up your Dollar Tree. And this I got my Handy Andy sticker, and also another charger down there. I don't want to pull it out because I don't know if that's like linked to anything. So yeah, Handy Andy. I always tell anybody if you qualify for it or if that's something that you need. I reached out to my MS doctor and I qualified for a handicap sticker or whatever that thing is. It's like a tag where you hang it up in your car. I qualified for that. So definitely, utilize that, especially with the hot weather. I call it my VIP seats thing. Keys. That's the baby's house. Yes, I do have keys to my girlfriend's home. She gave them to me. Whatever. This is my credit card thing. Y'all know I got long nails, so I put the credit card in here so I can stick it in and out of the machine. Hand lotion, Holiday Roman. This was their dupe of the Dior lotion. I got it from Temu. Let's see. I got nothing else in the pockets. Yeah, nothing else in the pockets. And this is the little insert for my purse for my totes. So definitely a good thing to have. Then I also have a miniature insert within the insert, which is this little insert. I have my Eucalyptus Spearmint Bath & Body Works hand lotion, lip gloss. I got both of these they came in a pack from Dollar Tree. As y'all can see, I've been using the the Fruity Pebble ones, but it's Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loops lip gloss. It's red like that, but it comes out clear. Another one, this is my Fenty Heat, the lemon kind. Compact mirror. Dental floss. Nail glue. And the last thing I have is my Kuromi. This is my, a power bank. Basically, I take this with me if I know I'm going to be out, and I just connect my little charger thing. If I don't have like my other charger with me, like where I could just plug into a wall, I could just take this with me and it charges my phone. And then another few honorable mentionables that I don't have that I usually have with me is my wipes and my toilet seat covers. Those are the only things that's missing. But yeah, y'all, this is what's in my bag, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.